Hello friends, this is Kalpana here. I am back with some cotton saris, especially Chettinad cotton and Mangalagiri cotton, that's Doria cotton, and a tie and dye cotton and a Chinur silk sari. So let's not waste time talking. I will start on the collections now. To start with, we have a Iron Putta sari. This is in orange color, fully. It's got puttas, 1000 putta, and it's a running blouse. So this we have one more color also. This is actually a double shade. If you can see the shade, it is mustard and lime green mixed. So it's a very beautiful shade, and it has got black puttas, 1000 puttas, and this has got a blouse on its own. It's a running blouse, or we can match it with a separate blouse too. And next we have these the traditional Chettinad cotton saris, but they are very soft to wear and very easy to manage, as well as it has got lovely designs. And it usually some are without blouses, and it is very convenient for us to match with different blouses. That is very good in this. Some people, they say, I have a blouse at home, so I can mix match. So but I have mixed match with some of the blouses which I have, so that you have a complete sari for yourself. So this has got a checked blouse, and it has got stripes. It is a pink with a Nagapara color, I would say, a jamun shade on the border, and it has got this. I've paired with a stripes, with a checked blouse. Sorry. Another one. This is a plain. It's a mauve shade, and the beauty of the sari is it has got morning evening pallu. So this is pink on the top, and then we have a mustard border on the bottom side, and it has got mangoes as border. And this also we can have one more blouse. We can have the same blouse, we can pair it also, or I can get a different blouse too. The next we have is, it's a green. See, these look like the Kanjivaram sari. It's got that temple border with a small with a cast. Even this is also there. See, the border is very pretty, and it has got simple pallu. And these saris, anytime you can wear it, and you can even go out wearing these beautiful saris. And I have paired with a beautiful blouse, with a nice cotton blouse. This is green. Yeah. Similarly, we have one more color in this, and these colors are all very traditional colors. It is like as if you see these colors in Kanjivaram silk. We have a feeling that we are wearing a silk sari. From the distance, if you see it looks like a silk sari. So beautiful, and very convenient and very pretty to wear this. So this is a Manthulir with a green border and with a temple design, and I have paired it with a green blouse for this. The next one is again another double shaded. It's blue and lavender mix, I would say. So this has got Rudraksham border on the pallu, and I have paired it with a nice blouse. Where is the blouse, please? Can I have the blouse, please, for this? Yes, thank you. This is also morning, evening. This has got blue border and this has got turquoise border down. Such a beautiful combination. This is, and it has got, and I've paired it with this blouse. The next one is, that's also another double shaded one with a blue and magenta mixed, would say. It's a double shade, and this has got same design as the earlier ones, and I have paired it with a nice green. This is the sari. Next is a dark navy blue with a pink border, and it has got the floral design on the border, the edge of the border, and it has got one thing is, you know, the pallus are all very simple. It's not too gaudy or too bling bling. So these are all very simple pallus, and the borders and the color combinations is just out of the, it's beautiful. And I have paired it with the nice turquoise blue blouse. The next we have is another beautiful combination. It's very a very old combination, very traditional. This is actually this is a red and maroon mixed with green, with a light green border. This is a very light green border, and for a change I have paired it with a kalamkari blouse, so that it will have a different flavor. It gives a different flavor to the sari. Simple pallu and a kalamkari blouse. Yeah. Yes, and now we move on to the next type of cotton, that is the Mangalagiri cotton. This is called we call it as Doria cotton also. Very soft, and it has got contrasting pallu, and even the blouse also comes contrast. This is the blouse for this. It's a sort of, it's a pink with purple, pink with purple. And the same way we have another one in this material. This is yellow. This is a nice golden yellow with pink, and the blouse is also, it's got the Doria in this. And we have another one which is also a Mangalagiri cotton, and this is the pallu for, this is the body for this. This is the body. It's a green, and this is the pallu, and the blouse is also the same contrast one in this. The same way, the border is very different in this. If you can see the border, this has got that zari border, and this is the blouse. Sorry, this is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu, and the blouse is also of the same color. Yeah. Next we have tie and dye sari. I want to show you the tie and dye sari in two varieties. This is a malmal cotton. So this is a malmal cotton, pure cotton, and then this has got the pallu, and this is paired with the black blouse. This is the blouse for this. The same way, there is another tie and dye sari in Chinnur silk. This Chinnur silk is not, no need to iron or no need to even, you can even wash it at home. This is with purple and yellow, and this has got the blouse. And this is the blouse for this. Purple and yellow. This is the blouse. This is the pallu, and yellow is this is the blouse for this. The same way, we have one more color in this. This is blue and red. And similarly, we have the blouse. It's got a blouse, plain blouse. This is the blouse for this. This is the blouse, and this has the tie and dye shadings. So these are all very pretty. Yes, and these are some of the collections, and we have quite a few in the store also. You can shop on www.shambhaviboutique.com, or you can WhatsApp 984138030. I repeat, 984138030. Since the festivals are around the corner, I'm offering a discount also on these saris. So please message me, or you can contact through WhatsApp, or you can shop online also. Thank you so much, and I will be back with another set of collections. Thank you.